here again? It's your girl Eva, and I am back with another video. So today's video is going to be a wash day video. As you can see, I got my little puffs and the place so I can part my hair, and you know what time it is. So today I am going to be using Devacurl for the very first time. Y'all know I've been trying to go natural for the past 6-7 months. I think it's close to a year now, but yeah, I've been trying to go natural for so long, and I've been doing my curls. As you can see, you're gonna see pictures right here, I guess. I've been trying to go natural for the longest, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed, because I know a lot of people watch my videos and don't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel right down below. Click that bell button, and I mean click that bell button, so you can get all notifications of when I post my new videos, like every week, every weekend. To be honest, I post every weekend, either Saturday or Sunday. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with my right side of my head. I'm just gonna, you know, take it apart. See, my hair is straight because my graduation was like 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, yeah, I haven't washed my hair in 2 weeks. And well, the shop washed my hair like 2 weeks ago, so I need a much needed wash day. So yeah, so I'm just gonna part my hair like I usually do, and I'm just going to detangle my hair. So I part my hair in sections, and 4 sections on each side, and like this. I put it back in a tiny bun like this, or like something like that, and I take my spray bottle with shampoo, conditioner, and stuff like that, and I usually close this so it'll be a little bit tighter, and I'm just like this. Now, I am going to be using Devacurl Wash Day Wonder. This is a pre-cleanser. As you can see on the screen, that is a pre-cleanse detangler, so it gives you good slip. So I'm going to use this for each thing, and it looks like this. It's like this consistency. It's really watery. I think some fell on the floor, but it's like really slippery and watery. I'm just going to add a little bit to my hair. Ooh, it does have good slip. I like it. I like it. It has really good slip. So I'm just gonna take my tangle teaser and just start detangling my hair. Look how shiny it is. It makes my hair like this. This Wash Day Wonder makes my hair look really shiny. And it smells really good too. I'll just fix this real quick. Just kind of get in my way. Y'all, this is so much having thick hair. Ugh, it's just too much. So I fixed this so it's not in my way, and it really does have good slip because now I can just detangle without the brush anyway. Like at the bottom, it's like slowly slipping. I'm gonna spray some more on my little juice. Ain't nothing my fault that I'm out here getting loose. Gotta bring it on my y'all see. And then I just pull this out like that. And it's coming out really smoothly, and then my curls start to clump up like this. You can see my curls start to clump up a little bit now. I mean, I did just wash it and blow dry before all that heat, and I did cut my hair. Well, the lady did cut my hair, so my hair might be a little bit shrinkier than it usually be. So like, it's not that long. And after I do that, I usually go with a Y2 comb. This is like a Conair Y2 comb. And I just comb it through, make sure I get all the knots out. And you see my hair starts to curl up. And get a little bit closer. See, it starts to curl up like that. And add some more water. Water shoe, water condition, whatever. And Let me move closer to you guys. So, and comb and detangle, comb and detangle. I'm gonna keep on doing this, and I'll speed the video up so you can see my full head getting detangled and plaited. The slip, you guys, look at the slip. Like, and it's like bringing my curls back to life. Look, like my curl is like up there now. Like, yes. So now I'm just gonna plait it like this. So you're gonna take it, I'm gonna tighten it and get to the closest part and then plait it. I like to plait mine's tight because I wash my hair plaited. So yeah. Okay, so I got one plait done. So I'm just gonna finish plaiting my hair and stuff like that, and I'll be back. So I'm gonna fast forward it, and you're gonna see me plait all my hair. Guys, so peace out.
CJ knows.
Hey guys, so I plaited my hair. It's all done, detangled and stuff. So now I'm going to take the DXXXMCX No Poo conditioner, and I am going to wash my hair with it, and I'll be back when I'm done washing my hair. Okay you guys, so I just got out of the shower, and let me tell you, let me start off with the shampoo. Okay, so let me tell you about the No Poo DXXXMCX shampoo with no zero lather and moisturizer, milky cleanser. Oh my god, like, not to drag it or anything, but it felt so good cleaning my hair with this. Like, my hair has never felt this like moisturizer clean ever in my life. My hair is still wet. I literally just got out the shower, so there's like an actual live video of my hair being wet and how it is really like really wet and moist right now, and I've never seen my hair shine like this before. The conditioner, oh my god, it made my hair feel squeaky clean. It like actually like made my hair feel a little bit smoother, and yeah, so I would recommend these two together. Like, this is like a good combo for your hair, even if you're doing like a light wash day, like a wash and go to. Yes, like Devacurl, you are really doing something, because like I never used a shampoo that would like make my hair feel so good. Like it really made my hair feel so good. Okay, so now that I washed and conditioned my hair, I just got out the shower, I am going to take the super cream. As you can see in the next clip, I'm going to take the super cream and I'm going to put it on my hair one by one. I'm going to take these out one by one and smooth it into my hair. And I'm also going to take in the leave-in conditioner and I'm going to put this in my hair as well. Alright, so you guys, I'm just going to take out one section at a time and start combing and styling. Okay, you guys, so I just finished retouching up my hair with the super cream and the leave-in conditioner, and I am going to plait my hair for tonight. The conditioner and the super cream together so good. The super cream helps the curls define itself, while the conditioner keeps the moisture in and leaves the moisture in and keeps the hole and stuff. I really do like these two products together mixtured. So yeah, I'm going to pop my hair for tonight. It is like very late and I'll see you guys in the morning and tell you what the results are from my hair. Okay, hair gang, it is early in the morning. I just woke up. My hair is still wet, as you can see. It looks very moisturized and very smooth. I would rate the conditioner like a 10 out of 10 because my hair feels soft and smooth like it is now. My roots are like very soft and smooth. The conditioner, it like, oh my god, I don't know how to express it. Like it moisturized my hair and cleaned it really good. My hair doesn't feel itchy at all and it made it good. So this right here, the pre-wash, the co-wash or whatever it is, pre-wash, helped my hair detangle really nicely and it was very good. So yeah, that did good. And then these two together, the leave-in conditioner, the Decadence leave-in conditioner and then the super cream together, oh my god, it made my hair look like this. It gave that nice shine and then nice volume in the back. So yeah, that's what happened to my hair. Okay, you guys, so make sure you like this video and go subscribe to my channel. Like, I know some of y'all don't subscribe to my channel, y'all watch my videos, so click that red button, subscribe, hit that bell, subscribe to all my social medias at Arrow Williams. They should be on top of the screen right here, and at my Twitter at Lily Oh So Crazy. And yeah, I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye.